surveyors can tie into this as a benchmark. It's a very known, very accurate survey monument, and they're able to use that information to strengthen the accuracy of their projects. There's also other users that that could benefit from the network, including farmers. Farmers can use that precision accuracy in their machines to control their automated machine guidance in their machines to have a more accurate, where they're planting in the field or harvesting, they can go over those same areas and increase their efficiency and their yields.
I teach a basic method of installing these monuments. I'm really surprised and happily surprised with the IDOT day labor team, how they took the initiative, decided to make a jig, and we tested it out yesterday for the first time near Litchfield. Worked really well, went really fast, super efficient. The day labor team applied it again this morning with some tweaks to make it even better, more efficient.
If we can take care of these problems ahead of time and work out some of the details in the shop before we go out on the site, it makes it a lot easier. We'd like it all to be done in the shop as much as possible. So we weld up the top part of the monument in the shop. We set it in this jig. This jig actually puts the angles and the form together for us. We weld it from that point on. So when we go out into the field and transfer the jig out in the field, set it on the ground, we drive these pipes in at the exact angle that they need to be at. Once we take the jig off, the monument piece slides right on top, goes right in place as quick as butter.
Operations has been fantastic in providing us information about where these CORS sites can go, and lending themselves in any way they can to make that happen. OPMP has been great too. They're actually the ones that keep track of the facilities for us and got us that information really quickly, so that we could start vetting sites and knowing what was available at them before we even went, so we could do sort of pre-checks.
The goals of the grant are digital delivery at the department, looking at our needs, our infrastructure, servers, cataloging our historical imagery, and bringing all this information together in a paperless fashion, and then moving 3D models and those types of applications from design into construction. So basically looking at a holistic approach from planning and surveys into design and construction, and then long-term having these models that will feed into the operations and the asset management system for the department. So really looking at all 4 phases of project delivery. A new survey datum is coming. So traditionally that survey datum did not track the tectonic plate movement, but that's a new component that's part of the new national datum that's coming in. So Illinois had to be part of that. We had to upgrade our coordinate systems to be part of the advancement in technology. A lot of these things weren't readily detectable from old school survey equipment, but as technology has rapidly increased, the need for precision and accuracy has increased as well.
About a year ago, we got word from communications and our bureau chief that we were going to be writing this grant for FHWA for Advanced Digital Construction Management Systems, ADCMS. It encompasses our plan for digital delivery and a little bit more. The CORS network was an integral part of getting everything going, because we're moving towards these 3D initiatives where you take your models from the CAD drawings, so these 3D CAD drawings, you put them into automated machine guidance, and the heavy equipment drives it for you. If you have a piece of surveying equipment, if you have a piece of heavy machinery that has automated machine guidance of any kind, whether it be an end loader or a bulldozer or your John Deere tractor, if it has this capability where you can press a button and have it follow some sort of pre-planned route, you can tie into our network and have it be dead on.